Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to make your private GitHub repo public. As you can see, I'm on github.com and that's my repo. Currently, as you can see, it is private. And if I want to make it public, I need to go to settings. Now here, I need to scroll a bit to the bottom. And here you can see I'm getting this button, change visibility. Let's click on it. Now you can see I'm getting change to public here. Let's click on it to make it public. Now here I need to click, I want to make this repo public. I have to click on this. I have read and understand these effects. Now I need to click on make this repo public. Now let's see if it is public or private. Simply click on here, code. And here you can see now it is public. So I hope you understood how to make your private GitHub repo public. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.